Hi students, welcome back to biology class. In this video, I'm going to start a new chapter that is cell. About cell, already you studied in lower classes, definition of cell, structure of cell you studied, but in PUC, we are going to study in detail of each topic. Cell, the unit of life. What is cell? What is the definition of cell? Cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living beings. Yes, it is fundamental. It has structure. It has function. So, the cell is the fundamental, structural, and functional unit of all living beings. One more definition is there, I will tell you. If you want, write it down. Cell is a structural and functional unit of an organism. All living things are made up of one or more cells. You know that all organisms are made up of cell. It's one of the characteristics of the organism. If organism is made up of only one cell, then it is called as the unicellular organisms. Amoeba, bacteria, all these comes under unicellular organism. If organism is made up of more than one cell, like many cell, then it's called as multicellular organisms, including human being. Every cell has its own life, so each cell has its own lifespan. Old and weak cells in the body continuously die and are replaced by new cells. The new cells generation takes place after cell division. All organisms, including ourselves, start life as a single cell called the zygote. You know how zygote formation takes place? When male gamete and female gamete fuse together, it results in the formation of zygote. That zygote is single cell. That zygote develops and gives rise to the new organism. It takes place only in the sexual type of reproduction. In asexual type of reproduction, a single cell divides, breaks, and it gives rise to new organism. Cells are so small that they cannot be seen under the by naked eyes. So cells are very small. You cannot see from your naked eyes. You need microscope to see the cell. So they are called as microscopic. They are called as microscopic. Let us discuss about the microscope. How many types of microscopes are there? Microscope means what? I will tell you the definition of microscope. If you want, please write it down. Microscope, it is an instrument. It is an instrument used to observe microscopic things. It may be the living organism or non-living organism, maybe live cell or dead cell. Clear? The first microscope was constructed by a Dutch scientist, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. All his microscopes consisted of a single biconvex lens and were called simple microscopes. In your compass box, small lens is there, no magnification lens, that type of microscope. Some of these microscopes had a considerable magnifying power up to 200 times. So Antony van Leeuwenhoek constructed a microscope first time, and it is called as a simple microscope. In microscope, total three types are there. First one is simple microscope, second one is compound microscope, third one is electronic microscope. Antony Leeuwenhoek constructed, and that microscope is called a simple microscope because it consists of single biconvex lens and its magnification power up to 200 times. But in your compass box, what you have lens, magnifying lens, it has the magnifying capacity up to 8 to 10 times or less than that. In simple microscope, you can study the microorganisms, but you may find difficult to observe the cells and all. Later, Robert Hooke, an English scientist, developed a microscope by using two lenses for achieving greater magnification. Such microscopes were known as compound microscope. Robert Hooke, an English scientist, he used two lenses so that he got more magnification power, and such microscopes are known as compound microscope. Later, Hooke examined a thin slice of cork and first he identified small structures and he gave the name as cell. Cell word first used by Hooke. So this is the discovery of cell. Now let us see an ordinary compound microscope. In our biology lab, we have ordinary compound microscope with latest version, that is LED microscope. So when you come back to the college, you can see the LED microscope. So you may ask, sir, what is the difference between ordinary compound microscope and LED microscope? In ordinary compound microscope, we are using outside light like solar energy, sunlight, or outside tube light for the reflection of the lens. But in LED microscope, we are using direct LED current so that you can see the microorganisms very clearly. Only few colleges they have LED microscope, and we are one among that. It consists of lens. Compound microscope consists of lens, coarse adjustment for the magnification, and it consists of arm and stage where you can keep the microscopic things for the observation. So detail you are going to study in practical classes. Next, third type of microscope, that is electron microscope. An electron microscope is a microscope that uses a beam of accelerated electrons as a source of illumination. So here beam of accelerated electrons are used as a source of illumination. Here, the we can get the magnification up to 5 lakh. Up to 5 lakh we can get the magnification. So here you can see the all organelles of the cell clearly. Now let us discuss about cell theory. The three basic components of the cell theory is like this. The first, number one, all organisms are composed of one or more cells. Point number two, the cell is the basic unit of life in all living things. Point number three, all cells are produced by the division of pre-existing cells. So pre-existing cell divides, so it is called as cell division, and it gives rise to daughter cells. That daughter cells grow, mature, and again it go on doing cell division. So this is the three basic components of the cell theory. So look at the picture. One is plant cell and another is animal cell. You already studied in your lower classes about plant cell and animal cell, and you studied the different types of organelles present in plant cell and animal cell. You know, outermost covering is called as cell wall in plant, but in animal cell wall is absent. In my next video, let us discuss about each organelles of plant cell as well as animal cell in detail. In this video, this much is enough. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.